These are the Executive Files. I'm Alexis Milner, editor of the Tampa Bay Business Journal. And with us today is Sean Halter, president and CEO of Connectivity Marketing and Media. And we asked Sean what he's doing to help his clients operate more efficiently.
Yeah, I'd say one of the first things that we try to look at with all of our clients is we try to look at their message first. You know, anybody can say as an agency that you can buy more efficiently, you can buy more spots and dots, but if you don't have the right message, then none of it's going to matter. So I think as we, again, try to find the most efficiencies for our clients, we try to look to see what that message is first and then what vehicles are out there for us best to drive that message. And that could be newspaper, it could be radio, it could be billboard or TV, or social media is certainly exploding now as well to help them leverage that message and leverage it efficiently. I'd say opportunity-wise, it's just always finding the right clients. The hard part is you never know if a client's going to be a good fit for you or them a good fit for your agency until you've actually met with them. We try to do as much of that as we possibly can. Because while you always want business, you want it to be the right kind of business and business that you can help somebody with. The challenging part really is just I don't think anybody knows what this economy is going to look like going into the new year. I mean, it's busy right now, both for us as a company and from a media and marketing standpoint, but a lot of that may be partially, driven because of, the election cycle and everything else. So I think there's a lot of uncertainty, going into next year.